passengers arrive in Jammu and Kashmir either as tourists or as devotees to visit the Jai Mata Di Vaishno Devi shrine. But all they could do, and they can do mostly, is visit here and then go back to their respective places. Why? The challenges are galore. Number one, the weather challenge. If the weather is not good, they will not be able to move ahead from Jammu to Kashmir. If the cost is very high, of course not everyone can shell out equal amount of money for a holiday travel. But now it's all set to change with the Chenab Bridge in place and finally open for the passenger trains. Hundreds and lakhs of passengers will be able to travel from Katra to Srinagar in a matter of 3 hours and for just a few hundreds of rupees. As the first Vande Bharat chugs out of Katra railway station and heads towards Srinagar, it is all set to write history. Not just with the security apparatus being far more than any other station, but also keeping in mind the facilities that it has been known to cater to the passengers with. The first loco pilots are equally excited to ride. आप तो पहले लोको पायलट होंगे पहली पैसेंजर ट्रेन के. प्रवीण जी कितना एक्साइटेड हैं आज?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
बहुत ट्रेन चलाई हैं लेकिन इसकी सुविधाएं या इसकी बात अलग क्यों होगी?
इसमें ये अलग इसका स्ट्रक्चर जो है कश्मीर वैली को विंटर सीजन के हिसाब से बनाया गया है इसको.
पहली बार यात्रियों को यहाँ से ले जा रहे हैं, आपकी क्या अनुभूति है?
जी सर, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
People not just feeling good but also keeping in mind that it is going to write history and they will be a part of the history too. But the security has to be far more than any other railway station, especially in Katra and Srinagar, because these are the passenger areas which have been struck with not just terrorism but also have been victim to much more than that. And as the train chugs out and moves into the valleys, trust me, it's not just about the beauty but also the experience that comes with it.
हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे.
Traveled a billion of times. How is this travel, this journey different from every other journey in your life?
Well, this is assured time-bound journey.
That is a serious one for a
Yeah.
TV journalist.
Yeah, and compared to the journey we used to have on the Srinagar-Jammu National Highway, when it was uncertain whether you will get stuck because of the landslides, even a little drizzle, will you just block the road, landslides, flash floods, all that would close the road. Though the highway has come a long way, it is better than what it used to be. But nothing can compare, match this journey. You can't think 3-hour journey from Srinagar to Katra, Katra to Srinagar.
What if I ask you to give a sher o shairi or something about your... I want to know your emotions, just your emotions on this travel.
वो कहते हैं कुछ बातें दिल ठहरे तो दर्द बताएं, दर्द थमे तो बात करें. तो मतलब वो दशकों का दर्द अब एक खुशी में तब्दील हो रहा है. और ईद के दिन जब आपको इस तरह की खुशी मिली, मैं घर में बच्चों के साथ ईद नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ट्रेन में जर्नी कर रहा हूँ, तो उससे आप इसकी अहमियत देख सकते हैं. हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज़ मी फॉर पर्सनली, प्रोफेशनली, socially, culturally. When I saw all these happy faces traveling on this train, who made the plan to visit Kashmir in the backdrop of recent terror attack, and this is actually overcoming those barriers of fear, barriers of otherness. We have actually breached these Himalayan mountains, not literally through this train, through this rail track. So as we just passed 36 tunnels, and you have, where is the longest tunnel in India? It is in Kashmir. Where is the second longest? It is again here. Where is the tallest bridge in the world? It is here. So it is for whether it's students, their genuine knowledge, their education. It is an education, it's an experience, it is something you cannot.
He said it is an experience, and it is an experience for me also to interview my colleague and understand for someone who's covered Kashmir for more than 2 decades and has stayed here for since last century, I would say. This is, of course, an experience that we would cherish forever.
Congratulations, celebration, congratulations, celebration.
It's integrated, it's blended. We are passing a strong message, madam. You are inclusive in our mainstream India. We are telling Kashmiris, you are among us. This is symbolically communicating to them, right? We are getting them into our mainstream. So that's not only journey. Okay, journey in that case, 36 tunnels and then about 900 bridges by itself defines this is going to be unmatched journey in the entire train journey.
Excitement and the glint in your eyes.
Oh, very much. Yeah, I mean, anybody who understands the significance of this train connected with the history of the Kashmiri brothers with us, the connection that we are trying to make with them, it should show it up somewhere. Maybe you are seeing it in my eyes.
What is your name? What do you do? And what brings you here?
I'm from Bangalore. My name is Girish, and I provide electric vehicles service in Mata Vaishno Devi. And I started my journey, towards this part of the country 10 years ago. When nothing of these things were there, we used to live in fear.
You've seen it coming true, literally.
Yeah, very much. While the construction was going on and things like, the plan was being made, and then when all this disturbances between us, and then this is symbolic nature of the conviction of our central government. A man, when he decides that we need to integrate that part of the country towards mainstream, this is the way things shape up.
How is it different from the working and the operations of our earlier governments?
I don't intend to make it a political thing. Way different. This is modern India. This man's approach and this government approach is totally different from the previous government that we had. This is the symbolic of our conviction. What this modern India is capable of doing. When you are trying to fly a train about 1,200 odd meters above the ground level as such.
59
to be precise. Yes. 1,359 meters above the ground level and things like that speaks the conviction of this government as such. So we should definitely be proud of.
You come from Bangalore, Silicon Valley, you've got everything at your doorstep. And coming to this part of the country, how different is it and what are the challenges that you see in real?
This is nature. That is concrete. Yeah, that's a concrete jungle. This is what, you should say this is God's own country. The gods made, we have retained the sanctity of this motherland just as it is itself. We should only connect, and then government is doing the right thing, making them part of this country also, and then we will leave it as it is. This is a nature's this thing. This is where you go to. Why otherwise? Why would a Bangalorean come to Kashmir as such? We can't replicate this. Can you replicate this in Bangalore? No way.
No way. That's a very strong statement. And look at the excitement that people have. How's the feeling? How's the josh?
I am totally excited. It's my dream true. It's my dream come to true. Usually, every time actually I comes to Katra, and just 2 months back I came, and actually I expected at that time also just to take that experience of this particular journey, but because of certain reason that it was postponed. Okay, but now just 2 days back I just got a notification that Modi is going to inauguration for this train. Immediately I just booked the train and just
Not many have been lucky with the tickets. Not many have been lucky with the tickets.
yeah, but as I just mentioned that at least I got the notification in the morning at least 5:30 when I just woke up. Okay, I got a notification that on 6th June Modi is going to inaugurate this train. I am immediately just check it out. I just log in.
Are you a Modi fan or a railway fan?
No, I'm not a Modi fan. I just believe that because I'm from technology. Okay, and so that's why I just feel that India is doing very great in the technology, in the terms of technology, right?
Opposition thinks the other way around.
Yeah, opposition is fine. That actually they have also that's rights. Okay, but if any government is doing good for the betterment of the people, we have to appreciate that one. Okay. So I just only take these journeys and then I come to return back and from
How's
tomorrow.
the experience?
Experience is very. It's I can't explain in the words. Yeah, and I think it's a message to that all that of the world and even the Pakistan that whatever they are doing, okay, it's a give a message that India is always looking forward for the progress, for the better of that their citizens.
That's how most of the people think, and the best part is I'll show you the experience that most of the people are, how they're enjoying every bit of it. There you go. A lot of... Ma'am, how's the experience? How's the experience? How's the josh, if I may ask?
बढ़िया है बहुत.
सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा आपको ब्रिज देखकर?
सीनरीज वगैरह, साइट सीइंग वगैरह ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी.
In case you are on Vande Bharat, most of the people have travelled, so they have an idea on the refreshments that are served everywhere. It's a brilliant experience. So I'll just speak to people on what do they think about it. How's the experience?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है और मैं चाहूँगा कि दिल से भारत सरकार को शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा, हर वर्कर को जिसने इतनी मेहनत करके ये सब टनल्स बनाई, हर इंजीनियर को। हम मीडिया के सामने तो हम लोग
आपको ये देख के एहसास होता है कि इसमें कितनी मुश्किलें आई होंगी?
जी हाँ, बहुत मुश्किल काम है क्योंकि मैं फ्रीक्वेंट ट्रैवलर हूँ, श्रीनगर का बिज़नेस करता हूँ। हम जब जम्मू से श्रीनगर जाते हैं कार में जाते हैं तो इतना डिफ़िकल्टी फेस करते थे। थोड़ी सी बारिश हुई, स्लाइडिंग हो जाती थी, 4-4 घंटे का जो है हॉल्ट हो जाता था। इतना मुश्किल काम था जो कि हमें पूरा दिन लगता था। प्लान करते थे सुबह जाने और शाम को पहुंचते थे श्रीनगर। अब कुछ घंटों में तुम पहुंच जाओगे। और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि जो रास्ते के जो हैसल्स थे वो सब दूर हो गए।
खर्चे भी तो कम हो गए?
पार्डन?
खर्चे भी तो कम हो गए?
हाँ, खर्चे भी कम हो गए, ये बात तो बिल्कुल सही है। खर्चे भी कम हो गए और हैसल्स भी दूर हो गए। और ये इतनी बड़ी अचीवमेंट जो कि जैसे कि अभी हमारे सीएम साहब बता रहे थे कि जब वो 8 साल के थे और उन्होंने ये प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में सुना और आज वो 55 ईयर्स के हैं और ये प्रोजेक्ट उनको सामने नज़र आ रहा है बनता हुआ, पूरा कंप्लीट हुआ। इससे बड़ी खुशी देश के लिए। मेरा नाम दीपक मल्होत्रा है।
टीटी साहब से ज़रा पूछ लूँ। टीटी साहब, आप तो आज पहली वंदे भारत में जो एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, आप भी तो इतिहास का हिस्सा ही बन रहे हैं।
हाँ जी, मोदी जी ने कल जैसे वंदे भारत का उद्घाटन किया, आज पहली इसकी ट्रिप है तो सभी के लिए एक बड़ा अवसर है और लोगों को और ज़्यादा आसानी होगी भारत को कश्मीर से कनेक्ट करने में। आगे चल के इन फ्यूचर कनेक्टिविटी को और बढ़ावा मिलेगा। गुड्स की ट्रेन है ये, वो सब
अच्छा, आपने इतनी ट्रेन्स में काम किया है, आज की ट्रेन के एक्सपीरियंस जब चढ़े तो क्या था?
आज अलग सा ही एक एक्साइटमेंट था कि पहली बार कश्मीर के लिए जाना है, तो फीलिंग वेरी प्राउड।
वेरी प्राउड। कश्मीर गए हैं कई बार, तो इस तरह का व्यू आपने कब देखा होगा? मुझे ये बताइए ना, आपके लिए ये कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है?
मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है। हम तो बाई रोड चलते थे पहले, बहुत हम तो 20-25 साल हो गए बाई रोड चलते हुए। अभी पिछले दिनों रामबन में जो बादल फट गए उसमें हम लोग फंस गए थे और हमारा एक गाड़ी का भी नुकसान हो गया था। तो अभी कल आज ईद का दिन है, मेरे दोस्त हैं उधर और मेरी बेटी गुजरात में MBBS करती है, उसने मेरे लिए आज ही टिकट बनवाया कल ही और बनवा के
तोहफा है आपके लिए ईद का?
तोहफा भेजा। अरे बोल रहे हैं वहाँ जाके मिल के आओ और जाके 11 बजे वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे। सुबह मैं तो रात को ही यहाँ आ गया था उधमपुर में।
आपने सोचा था कभी कि इतना कम समय में पहुँच सकते हैं?
नहीं, कभी नहीं सोचा था। ये फ्लाइट में ही सोचा था, ऐसे तो नहीं ऐसे तो हम जब ट्रक लेके जाते हैं तो 2-2 दिन भी लग जाते हैं, 2-2 दिन भी लग जाते हैं। मेरा नाम आलमदीन है, मेरे खुद के 2 ट्रक हैं, 2 बेटियां मेरी MBBS कर रही हैं दोनों।
कहाँ रहते हैं और ये सुविधा देखकर क्या कहें?
हम जम्मू रहते हैं और ये सुविधा देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा और हम धन्यवाद देते हैं अपने मुख्यमंत्री जी को, अपने गवर्नर, लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर साहब जी को और अपने प्रधानमंत्री जी को। और उन्होंने इतना जल्दी ये काम को, इसको बहुत देर से, बहुत दिनों से ये काम जो है वो चल रहा था, बहुत देर से। ये तो कांग्रेस की सरकार से हम, क्योंकि मेरे को 30 साल हो गए इस रोड पे चलते हुए, तो इस काम को लगे हुए शुरू हुए 30 साल से ही हो गए। लेकिन जब से ये BJP गवर्नमेंट आई, जब से प्रधानमंत्री साहब ने ये पूरा बीड़ा अपने सर पे उठाया।
So how's the experience? How's the josh?
Good, ma'am. Fantastic.
What's the best part of the journey?
The best part of the journey is the excitement today and getting connected. Actually, I'm the chairman of Patil Group, and we have done the ballastless track for this.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you what ballastless tracks are, and it's a test that I'm giving him. It means that they're made of concrete, they are of lesser weight, they're stronger than the normal tracks. So I have the man who's made the tracks of the railways here on the bridge.
Yes, ma'am. This is basically a very
झटके तो नहीं लग रहे? आपने ठीक ट्रैक बनाए हैं कि नहीं?
yes. You can feel the riding comfort now when you are on the ballastless track. But you know, when you build such mega projects in this kind of terrain, you really require a maintenance-free kind of a track. So ballastless track is maintenance-free, right? So ballasted track, again, every time you have to do maintenance, change the gitti, what we call ballast and all that, and for better riding comfort and better maintenance in the snow. So this project is very unique. First time we got this system about 18 years back. I still remember, I refreshed my memory today. So we worked very hard to develop a design for India, for Indians, broad gauge system, and we are so proud and happy today. The country is getting such a world class system.
Challenges क्या है? 359 मीटर पर ये ट्रैक लगाना, यही तो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था.
बिल्कुल logistics, planning, that is very critical. You'll have to very well plan.
Share an anecdote.
Anecdote was the toughest part, if I recollect from my memory, is the security. Providing security to all the people, and some of our staffs were very apprehensive to go and work in this kind of a terrain. But all this is all history. But right now, today, it's all reality today. That this project at the end of the day is through, and I'm so happy that I'm taking the first train to experience this track.
What is your name?
I'm Dr. L.S. Patil, chairman of Patil Group.
Group is the group that has made the ballastless tracks, and they are state of art tracks for any, not just bridge but any railways in the country. सर आप कहाँ इस एक्साइटमेंट बड़ा चेहरे पे आपकी एकदम मुस्कान है, ये बताइए. हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्ण, मेरा नाम भी कृष्ण है. मैं जम्मू से ही हूँ, कश्मीर जा रहे हैं. वंदे भारत की एक्साइटमेंट हमें काफ़ी देर से थी. 2-4 बार पहले भी हमने पास वगैरह अरेंज किए थे, लेकिन वो किसी वजह से ट्रेन चल नहीं पाई थी. तो हमें काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट था कश्मीर जाने का. वैसे भी अब 2-3 घंटे में पहुंच जाएंगे, और नेक्स्ट मंथ से हमारे भोलेनाथ की यात्रा भी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, अमरनाथ जी की. तो रास्ते की वजह से काफ़ी दिक्कत आती थी, कभी बरसात की वजह से यात्रा पहुंच नहीं पाती थी. अब तो 2-3 घंटे में कश्मीर पहुंच जाएगी, तो यात्रियों के लिए भी काफ़ी आराम रहेगा.
आपको लगता है अब जो टैक्स में पैसा देते हैं वो सही जगह जा रहा है?
बिल्कुल सही जगह जा रहा है. अभी जो पीछे माहौल भी ख़राब हुआ था, तब हमें पता चल गया था कि हमारा GST कहाँ जा रहा है. जो S-400 या बाहर की जो भी एनिमी की फोर्सेस को डिस्ट्रॉय किया, हम सब हिंदुस्तानी आराम से घर में सोए थे. हमें तो कोई आंच भी नहीं आने दी मोदी साहब ने. इसलिए हम जो भी टैक्स देते हैं, हम उससे भी 2-4% ज़्यादा देने के लिए तैयार हैं. हमारे परिवार की सेफ्टी,
बहुत लोग नाराज़ हो जाएंगे.
हमारे परिवार से सेफ्टी के लिए या देश की सेफ्टी से आगे तो कुछ नहीं है ना.
तो आपका सफ़र कैसा चल रहा है?
It's an amazing experience. It's like we are just stepping into a landscape, to be honest, like a movie or a painting. It's like really beautiful to see outside, and it feels like a really big, big move for the Indian Railways to just, yeah.
What will you go and tell your friends?
I'll tell them that I visited Kashmir, and it's my hometown actually. So I think they will be quite fascinated by that. Yeah.
Hometown is Kashmir, and it's the first travel that you're taking to Kashmir via train. कश्मीरी के लिए, कश्मीरियत के लिए इसका क्या मतलब?
पहली बार जा रहे हैं तो I don't really know कैसा दिखता है कश्मीर. तो I really feel like grateful for this train, क्योंकि हमारे मतलब मतलब अब हो गया है, ज़्यादा इजी हो गया, अब ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गया, मतलब टूरिज़्म ही ज़्यादा है कश्मीर में. तो आई थिंक इट विल इन ऑटोमेटिकली बूस्ट द इकोनॉमी टू. या
कश्मीरियों के लिए एक गिफ्ट है जो कि मोदी साहब ने आज दिया है. इतना फील हो रहा है कि मैं आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस माय फीलिंग्स विद यस, और जज्बात ही हो रहा हो. ये ट्रेन में सफ़र करना ये हमारा ख्वाब है. अंग्रेज़ों ने ये काम नहीं कर सका. जो मोदी साहब ने किया। जय हिंद, जय हिंद। बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
आपकी आवाज़ काँप रही है, आपकी आंखों में आंसू दिख रहे हैं मुझे।
ये फीलिंग है, ये एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकता हूँ कि ये कैसा फील हो रहा है इन पहाड़ियों में, जो कभी हमने सोचा ही नहीं था कि ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा एक दिन हो जाएगा और हम ट्रेन में जाएंगे कश्मीर, लिंक हो जाएगा कश्मीर और हिंदुस्तान का जोड़ हो जाएगा, मिलन हो जाएगा बाय रेल। बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
With the development of better infrastructure in Jammu and Kashmir and the building and construction of Chenab Bridge, the new tracks are a message to the new India and the world across. Knowing well that this country knows exactly what it can do with its countrymen and taking ahead not just with infrastructure but also the facilities that can be provided to the countrymen. As we traverse through these beautiful valleys and mountains, the world now knows that India is now connected via railways even after 7 decades of independence. However, it's beautiful and the journey is equally mesmerizing. We all embark on journeys that are remembered for lifetime. This one has been one. Not just because we travelled on the first ever passenger train of the world that has reached Kashmir, but also on the highest railway bridge of the world for the first time in the pages of history. The excitement that you see here and the tricolour in the hands of people, every passenger is filled with pride and an emotion that cannot be explained in words. And the only word that can explain it is inexplicable. With camera person Xavier Thomas, this is Manogya Loiwal in Srinagar for NDTV.